Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am playing with some Mellow Cosmetics. A couple months ago I did become affiliated with Mellow Cosmetics, and I mentioned it in one of my videos and asked if you guys wanted to see a video with the products that I have from them, and a couple people did say yes, so sorry it took me so long, but I'm finally getting around to it. And I have the Sinopia eyeshadow palette and two of their lipsticks, and that's what we're playing with today. And I'm going to try to be recreating this look here that I posted on Instagram a while back. I really like that look, and I did it with this palette. So let's zoom in and get started. So I'm priming my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade, just spreading that around the whole eye area. And I don't set it, I'm gonna leave it nice and tacky. It's been quite a while since I've done this look. I posted this look in May. It's very like coppery and fiery, and I'm not quite sure which shades I used, but I'm gonna bet you more than anything I went into the crease with Brick, this color right here. And these do get a lot of powder on the brush when you dip it in. I'm just gonna start that on the outer corner and slowly blend that into the transition area and really blow that out. I really like how this is blending out into a soft wash of color because I don't want my transition to be super intense. I want it to be nice and soft. If this sounds like a first impressions, by the way, it kind of is, because I haven't picked up this palette in a month or so, and I have to kind of get to know it all over again, if you know what I mean. Like, it's been a while since I've played with this, and I don't quite remember my thoughts and feelings on it. Next, I'm gonna take, I think, Merlot and a tapered crease brush, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner with that. Really focus that on the outer V. Keep it right in there. And I am experiencing some fallout, but it's really nice pigmentation, and it's blending into the transition color really easily. I'm gonna take that same brush and go back into Brick right here and use that over top of where I placed Merlot to kind of orange it up a little bit and blend it into the crease and kind of deepen the crease a little bit, make it a little more intensely orange. And I'm just blending everything together. Alright, now I'm going in with Cinnamon on a flat shader brush and just putting that all over the lid, and I'm not wetting it or anything. It's a really intense metallic on its own. Putting that from inner corner to outer corner. I'm just gonna take my fluffy crease brush and blend out the edges a little bit so it's not a harsh transition from the shimmer to the matte. Next, I'm going to take that fluffy tapered brush and go back into Brick right here and just put that on the lower lash line, starting in the middle and bringing it up to meet where we fluffed it out on the outer edge. I'm gonna take a flat definer brush and Merlot and just put that right up against the outer corner, the lower lash line, and blend it. I have my beauty sponge here, which still has a little concealer on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to sort of clean up down here where I got a little out of hand. Then I'm going to take on a tiny shader brush. This is the Sigma Inner Corner Brush Cinnamon, and just pop that right in here. And that bling spot that I left to tie the upper lid with the lower lash line. It is such an intense metallic. I love it. Then I'm going to take Urban Decay's Starfire 24/7 liner and put that on the waterline. I don't think this is the look exactly, but it's super like fiery, so I like it. I'm just going to take on a pencil brush the color Champagne right here and pop that on the inner corner to brighten that up. And layer over top a little bit of cinnamon to tone down the whiteness of it all, but I still want it to be brighter than the rest. Then I'm going to take some Champagne and put that on the brow bone with the pencil brush. Next for lashes, I'm going to take my lash curler and curl my lashes. This lash curler is by House of Lashes, and I really like it for my round eyes. I think it fits them really well. And then I'm taking my Lancome Sills Booster XL Lash Primer and just coating the top lashes with that. It is a white primer, so you definitely need to be careful when you apply your mascara to cover it up, but it's a super awesome primer. I'm gonna let that primer dry for just a moment, and I'm gonna move on to lips. First, I'm going to show you the nude lipstick I have before I do the bold lip to go with this look. So the nude lipstick I have is the shade Nude, and it's kind of a cool tone nude, which I really enjoy. These lipsticks are really quick and easy to apply. I feel like if I didn't have time to do a lip liner, I wouldn't need a lip liner, and super comfortable even though it's pretty matte. And this really reminds me of the color Scorpio Moon from ColourPop that was from the limited edition Zodiac collection. So if you loved that color but weren't able to get it, then Nude from Mellow would be a good one for you. But I'm just gonna leave this on with this look so you guys can really stare at this color while I apply my mascara. I'm using the Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. I've honestly never used this before, but I've heard lots of good things about it, so I'm excited to try it. Hopefully it doesn't burn my eyes. Okay, we're looking a little bit spidery. That's pretty though. That's super pretty. Look at the difference between mascara and just lash primer. So do bottom lashes. This is a nice size wand for bottom lashes. Like, it doesn't get all over the place. I appreciate that. Mascara is on, so now I'm gonna switch lip colors. The other color I have from Mellow is Danger Zone, and these are both matte formulas. I believe they have like a cream formula as well, but because it's a bold color, I'm gonna line my lips, and this is, excuse me, this is J-Cat's Electric Crimson. Alright, so now that I've got my lips lined, I'm going in with Danger Zone. And this is the completed look with the Mellow Cosmetics Sinopia palette and Danger Zone lipstick. So now that I've retested this eyeshadow palette and played with it, do I still stand behind Mellow? Absolutely. The mattes are good, but the shimmers are amazing. Like, I did not wet these at all, and they're so shiny and metallic, and they glided on so smooth. And the colors in this palette are so beautiful. I think this is a fabulous palette, and the lipsticks are really good quality, and I think if you're looking to support a smaller brand, Mellow could be good for you, especially if you like neutral with a pop of color. This is a really fun palette, and I will have my affiliate link down below if you'd like to shop and also support the channel. I'd appreciate it. But let me know your thoughts down below whether or not you think that Mellow is worth the money. I'd love to hear your feedback, because if you guys know something about Mellow that I don't know or I should know, you know, let me know, please. But so far, I love the brand. I'm happy to be affiliated with them. The products that I have tried, I think, are really great quality. They create beautiful looks. I feel like a fiery goddess right now, and I hope you guys like them too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!